Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we are going to be making some beadable pens. I just wanted to share how cute it is packaged in this little boot pocket. I have a tutorial on how to create this, okay? But today's video, we're going to be making this beautiful beaded pen. I promised you guys that I will do a video for you, and so here it is. All right, guys, so all these items you can get from Temu. I have a link down below. Make sure you check all the links down below. If you are new to Temu, you want to go ahead and download that app for the first time, and you can use my code. It will save you 30% off your first purchase, and you get like $100 worth of free items, okay? And if it's different, it will be listed down below if the amount is different, okay? Because sometimes they do run specials and things like that. Now, even if you already shop with Temu, take my code, put it in the search bar and search it, and you will be able to see all my top picks, which usually contain tons of things that I've hauled from Temu, okay? So we're going to be putting together a beadable pen. Look at how beautiful. And we are going to be using all of the items that I got from Temu, okay? So let's start with the pen. Now, if pink is not your color, you guys know I love pink. They have tons of different colors available. And so I got this pack, and I want to say it's a 10-pack. And these are pink and white. So I already have some in my stash that are solid pink. They're like a hot pink. And I really wanted this one. I thought this was like Christmas vibes because of the pink and the white. So you'll need the beadable pen. And basically, it's just a regular pen that has a stick here for you to put beads. And you would unscrew this to place your beads and screw it back to keep them intact, okay? So it's super simple to make, guys. All you have to do is grab beads and whatever you want to put on yours. But today we're going to be featuring these beads that I got from Temu. So I will have these listed. We're going to be using these beautiful, it's like a Milky Way galaxy of glitter in there. It's so beautiful, you guys. I don't know if the camera's picking it up well, but they're gorgeous on the inside. And then on the outside, they have these little heart details. And I picked them up in blue and pink. They come in several colors. And then I also picked up these beads. And they have like a little drip on them. And I thought they would be perfect for Christmas, okay? So we're going to be using those. Oh, and then I have a bead from my stash. But I'm pretty sure you can find these on here. Now, these beads, I want to say they may be like, I don't know, 12 millimeters. I'll have it listed down below. It'll tell you the size. But you basically want a bead that has a decent size hole. A lot of the smaller beads that are like 8 millimeters, they probably won't fit, okay, on the stick. So you want to be able to use beads that have a large enough hole to fit onto the pole, okay? And then I also have this one that I got from a previous order with Temu. It's a cute little, this only comes with 3 of them. So that's why I haven't used it. But these come in different colors as well. And then we're going to be using these bells from Temu. And then this little guy is from Temu as well. And I forget what this is called, the term for it. But it's basically beads on there. And it has this little hook for you to dangle a charm. Okay. And then I'm going to be using some daisy spacers. Now these look like they're not going to fit, but they will. You just got to see what you have in your stash. These have like a bigger hole than the ones that I usually get. And I'll show you how they fit. All right, so let's get started. I am going to unscrew this. And sometimes this will unscrew. It's fine. Just screw it back in. These are awesome gifts, you guys, to send to a crafty friend or to a teacher. All right, let's start with this one this time. So I'm going to go ahead and just put it on the pole. You see how easy it glides on there? And then I'm going to do a daisy spacer. Now, these look like they're not going to fit. I put them on top, and I just twist them over. Just twist over this little notch, and they fit perfect, guys, okay? And then I'm going to go in with this iridescent one. Another daisy spacer. And then we're gonna finish it off with the pink heart one. Again, these come in several colors. Make sure your heart is facing the right way. You don't want to put it upside down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this piece on top, and we're gonna twist our cap back on. Okay, nice and tight. You can arrange your beads if you like. Look at how cute, you guys. Okay, and then let's go ahead and get a jump ring. Let me grab a jump ring for my stash. Let's see. So I like to get a lot of my jewelry findings from Temu because it's super affordable. I'm gonna try to get a bigger, I'm gonna try to use a smaller jump ring. But I'm gonna put a bell because I wanna hear that jingle. But definitely you can put a charm. I think we'll make another one and use a charm. So let's go ahead and take our jump ring, and you're gonna use your tools to open and close it, okay? We're gonna twist in the opposite directions to open it. You see that? It's nice and open now. So now we can put our bell and our pen. All right, you probably wanna use a bigger jump ring, but I'm gonna use this tiny one. Let's try it this way. I really like these tiny ones, guys. Even though I struggle with them because of my fingers, these sausage fingers. All right, let's try it again. Grab each end and push it together opposite directions. Make sure that it's closed completely so that whatever you dangle on yours will not come off, okay? You don't want it to slip off. And there we go, guys. You have a cute, adorable little beadable pen. And again, it looks really cute in these little pockets that I've been making. It fits a wand and the pen. And how cute is that, guys? Who wouldn't love to receive that? Let's make another one. Let's do another. So you can use all different, again, they have these different colors and styles, you guys. I wish more of them came with gold. All right, I want to use this one. I think I want that to be on top. I probably won't be able to fit too many beads. Let's see how it looks, guys. Again, twist this one on there. Sausage fingers are giving me a hard time, guys. I gotta get it on there because it looks so cute. Oh my goodness. It's giving me the hardest time. There we go. And then let's see. We can do this one. And let's see if I have room for another one of those. Another one of these. Look at how cute that is. There is room. Let's see if it's gonna sit nicely. Yeah. Look at how cute, you guys. Isn't that adorable? I wonder how I would feel about it being lower. but you can dangle anything off this one. Let's do a charm. So I have these charms from Temu. And of course, I'm not seeing them right now. Here they go. These are all the ones that I ordered from Temu for this collab. I have this little one with the cookies. I have this one from a previous one that has this pink glitter. Let's do the pink glitter one. I'm getting the sniffles. All right, let's do this. So we're gonna grab a jump ring. So I hope that this inspires you to make some beadable pens, guys. They're super fun and easy to create. I want to get some silicone beads. I think they look really cute on the top of these beadable pens. So definitely look to search that up on Temu. Close that jump ring up all the way, so there's no gap for it to fall off. And then there goes another one, you guys. Isn't that cute? I wonder how it will look down, but you can always like take it off and put it back together another way and see what style you like. All right, guys? So that's it for this video. Super sweet and short. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Again, all the links will be down below. If you don't see something, just leave me a comment and I'll find it for you. All right, guys, I love you and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.